Year 8. So we're on reaction number 3 now, so it's on the reverse of my experiment sheet. This time what we're going to be doing is reacting ammonium hydroxide solution with copper sulfate solution. So we've got two solutions. We've got ammonium hydroxide here, which is our colourless solution, and then we've got our copper sulfate solution, so our pale blue solution here. So remember, we're looking for a sign of a chemical reaction. So how do we know that a chemical reaction is taking place? So we're going to put some ammonium hydroxide into our boiling tube. So we've got this colourless solution in here. And then we're going to add in some of our copper sulfate solution. So if we pour in some of our copper sulfate solution, so at the beginning there were both solutions, and now what we can see is that we've got some very small solid particles inside our boiling tube. So there's a name for this type of chemical reaction. When two solutions react together to form a solid, it's a type of chemical reaction, and it's got a specific name for this chemical reaction. So if you're not sure what it is, you might need to do a little bit of research and see if you can find out what this sign of a chemical reaction is when two solutions react together to form a solid, and we've got a solid forming inside our boiling tube here. Okay, so have a go at writing your observations on your sheet, and then you need to list the elements. So ammonium hydroxide is a tricky one. It's got the formula NH4OH, and then copper sulfate has the formula CuSO4. So let's see if you can list the names of those elements on your sheet and write down the observations for ammonium hydroxide and copper sulfate. Okay, thank you.